Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Namecheap and opening the domain's advanced DNS or DNS settings. This is essential because you'll add records directly. Once you have admin access to your Gmail or Google Workspace console, copy the verification TXT and MX values Google provides. Make sure DNS propagation expectations are understood. Changes take minutes to 48 hours, so plan accordingly. And keep the Google verification page open while you switch tabs to Namecheap to paste records immediately. Now, open Namecheap's advanced DNS editor and select the domain. You will remove existing MX entries only if they conflict. Add each Google MX record precisely with the correct priority numbers, and then create the TXT record Google gave you for domain verification. Next, add an SBF TXT line to authorize Google's mail servers. This reduces spoofing. Once done, save changes and allow a brief pause to confirm entries. Make sure to double-check host fields and priority numbers for typos. After adding MX and TXT records, return to Google Admin and click Verify. Google reads the TXT record you added, so once propagation completes, verification should succeed. Next, enable DKIM in Google and paste the CNAME or TXT DKIM record into Namecheap so outbound mail is signed. Finally, send test messages both directions to confirm delivery and spam behavior. If mail fails, check for duplicate MX, incorrect priorities, or missing dots in host names. Those are the most common causes, and fix them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.